Hi, I'm Steve from Direct Drive Hub. I've been instructing for easily 20 years, but recently moved into the automatic part of the instruction. What have I found in automatic driving? It's a lot more relaxing. It's a lot easier to do. You've got less to worry about. Rather than thinking about what gear you're going to need to be and when you're going to put the clutch down, you don't have to think about that. You just basically need to slow down. You check your mirrors. You ease off the power, you move to the brake, you slow down. When you want to speed up, you get back off the brake, you're back on the power. When you stop the car at a junction, you don't have that stress of stalling. So it's a case of balancing the clutch, trying to get the power on, trying to get the handbrake off. Like I said, all that worry is now disappeared. So why should you choose an automatic for learning? Again, you may have found that doing lessons in the past, you've struggled, you feel like you're in a rush all the time. You feel like you can't get all these jobs done on the approach to a junction. You want to get a license. You're desperate to get your license, but you feel like you're never going to get there. Well, an automatic learning an automatic is going to get you there, and it's going to get you there relatively quickly as well. I'm not saying automatic lessons are dead easy. You've still got to learn how to deal with roads and junctions and everything else, but a lot of the stress has now disappeared. You may find that your ability is, you might have a problem with a leg movement, or you feel like you might have a slight disability in that sense. So again, an automatic car is going to be the way forward for you. Recently, I seem to have met a lot more people who suffer with anxiety. And again, anxiety is a massive issue. So again, when you're in the car, your anxiety levels shoot up to ridiculous levels. Again, you feel like everything's on top of you. You're trying to concentrate so much on everything, and again, you're making mistakes all the time in a manual car. Again, move to an automatic. It's going to de-stress you. You're going to really feel the benefit of moving into that sort of environment. Also, you may have a problem with dyslexia or even dyspraxia. Again, I've met quite a few people recently with both cases, and again, it does make a big difference, because you know yourself, if you've got dyslexia, trying to read things, trying to take all the information on an information board, your brain just won't take it all in. So again, you're taking away that stress of using clutch, using the gears, so you can focus a little bit more on what you're planning to do. Personally, driving an automatic, it's not going to affect your long-term ability. You're still on the road. You still can get a car. There's plenty of cars out there that are automatic that you can buy. They're not a lot more expensive. Yes, they're slightly more expensive than manual cars, because at the moment there's less of them. But in time, in the next 15 to 20 years, you're going to see a lot more automatic cars on the market with the influx of hybrid and also electric cars. So manual cars are actually going to start dropping off. Manufacturers are already starting to think about getting rid of the manual side of it, so you will see more automatic cars. So if you feel like the automatic side is a way forward for you, again, give us a call. Have a look on our Facebook page, Direct Drive Hub. Have a look, see what you think, and get in contact us, and we shall get you to where you want to be. You might find the manual side of it is the way you want to go. Again, we've got instructors who can do that side of it as well, including myself. Okay, so hopefully this has been a bit of a benefit, so hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.